the tremendous slow cooker, aka my rice cooker that doubles for everything basically. What's up, y'all, man? It's Andy tuning in, doing some real quick, man, real simple. Like, bro, I never really eaten these before I was plant-based, but shout out to Make Your Dairy Free for this recipe for a sloppy Joe. I was listening to some music in my car and had a song playing, and it was Currency talking about a long way from reduced lunches and sloppy joes. And I'm like, you know what? I gotta play this. So real quick, man, I'm not gonna run through all the ingredients, but it calls for 1 sweet onion, 4 cloves of garlic, a bell pepper. They said red, but I switched to the little orange and red. And that was basically, I added the pepper, a little serrano, you know what I'm saying, for the spice. Alright, already chopped those already prepped, you know. There goes my veggies. Like that. Alright, I'm gonna add my lentils. They recommended green or brown. I soaked them for just a few minutes. Nothing that major. There's a little bit of the water left. I'll probably just pour it in there regardless. But yeah, soaked them, washed them a few times. No big deal. Alright. Okay. The reason I soak them and wash them, they're a little easier to plump up, cook a little quicker. You know what I'm saying? Be able to suck up that juice. Alright, what's next? The recipe calls for 1 15-ounce can of fire roasted tomatoes. Do not drain them. Go ahead and pour the whole thing. Cool. Because I'm doubling the recipe, I got 2 of these, so who knows who's gonna fit. We'll see. Hopefully it's not dramatic. This thing is huge. Alright, I got my spices already measured out. Oh, I should have done that before. Some garlic powder. I added the onion powder, some paprika, chili powder. Alright. We're doing the thing. Alright, so 2 tablespoons. I know I need a tablespoon measurements. Hold up. Because I'm doubling it, it's gonna be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the salt, I didn't add no salt, so that'll probably be my sodium content for the day, for the meal. Right now, for a liquid, some veggie stock. So 2.5 cups, so I'm doing 5 in total. I'm doubling it. I'm gonna try to get that meal prep in, you feel me? 1. Oh my god. 2. Okay, this is getting a little too crazy here. I might need to upgrade, bro. This is way too big. That was 2, right? Okay, 3. Just give that a stir. I think it's way too full. So that's 3. Oh my god. That might be the most I can do, honestly. Well, we gotta work with what we got. Okay, so if I need to add more, I will. So I'm at 3 cups. I can add 2 more. No big deal. Wow. And that's it, man. Add all the ingredients, minus the 2 cups of do is wait. Tremendous sloppy joes. Alright, well, did what I could with what I got. We're gonna close her up. Recipe calls for you to cook this down for about anywhere between 3 to 6. I'm gonna go for 4 hours. I can wait. That's it, man. Easiest recipe I've ever put together. Can't wait to eat. Alright, y'all. Be right back. Once the next few steps, I might add a few clips of me stirring up this mess. Hopefully it don't overspill, but yeah, man. It's Andy tuning out. Alright, man. We got 2 hours in. So I've already definitely spilled. You haven't noticed. Wow. Okay, that's 2 hours, y'all. Alright, y'all, so it was a fail. Whew. Okay. Transfer is done. Alright, now I can do what I gotta do. So, like I said, it was a fail. I cooked it in the crock pot for about 4 hours. And it didn't evaporate all the liquid. I'm guessing here, and this is a guess, probably due to the fact that, well, it was too full. I don't know if you saw it earlier. It was too full, man. Way too full. So now I'm just cooking it down on some medium heat, and, well, gonna add probably the next ingredients. Might as well, right? So it calls for a 1.5 cup of ketchup per portion, so it says to add 3. I'll probably end up adding 2, and this is all the way at the very end, but I wanted this to be cooked at least a little bit, just a little bit, you know. At least a little bit. All right, that's that. Okay, what else do I need? So I got me some spicy brown mustard. She recommended, or they recommended, just yellow mustard, but I'm using spicy brown. And it's gonna be 4 teaspoons. I'll do tablespoons because that's what I got at the moment. We'll do 4 tablespoons. Make my life a little easier. Alright. Okay. Alright. And then some brown sugar. 1/4 cup. Oh damn, it's a lot. So basically 1/2 cup of the brown sugar. Alright, that's that. And some sriracha. I'm adding some sriracha right now. Okay. Stir that all together. I will be putting the lid back on just a little bit. Just give me a second. So I don't have any sriracha because they're running low, I guess, in the store. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of that. Obviously, just later. Alright, now it's smelling like something you would serve a kid in a cafeteria. Alright, so we're going to cook this down till the liquid evaporates. This condenses to a nice thick consistency. And I'll let y'all know how long it takes. Other reason why I did this, well, I'm getting impatient, man. I'm hungry. So, it is what it is. I'll see you in a bit, man. Alright, man. It's been about 40 minutes. 40 minutes, and this is what the result is from boiling it down. I had it at around medium high, sort of. The liquid has mostly been evaporated. Nice little jelly. Still going, but I turn it off. I'm super hungry, bro. Smelling good though, ain't gonna lie. Smelling good. Let's go ahead and turn this off. I'm gonna serve it on some buns. Nothing too fancy. I got a little vegan mayo, a little cilantro just for on top. Think about some cheese, but I'm gonna pass on this one, at least today. But alright, man, let me plate this up and give y'all the review in a second. Alright, man, it is time. Andy tuning in. My side to side. This took a little bit longer than I thought it would. And adding extra 40 minutes. So check it out, man. I put the crock pot to cook for 4 hours. The biggest mistake that I saw was filling it up to the rim. I should have just done one portion, or just skip all the steps and done it on the stove. If you're planning to do this, please, do it in your stovetop or don't fill it all the way. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't fill up your slow cooker to the max. That was the biggest mistake that I saw. Other than that, the lentils look pretty al dente. They look nice and well cooked. I put the ketchup in before I cooked the total of 40 minutes on the stove, and with the brown sugar, the ketchup, the mustard, it started to smell like barbecue sauce. And I know it's not a barbecue sauce doesn't do that. They cook ketchup down for quite some time with some brown sugar. So I'm really excited to give that a taste. Put it on an onion roll and a ciabatta roll. All those vegan, honestly, I don't know, but I know they're gonna taste good. I do my best. I ain't perfect, bro. I ain't perfect. Put a little cilantro on top, vegan mayo on both sides of the bun. Other than that, it was pretty darn simple. I wish I would have, not done the mistake, but hey, it is what it is. I'm not gonna stress on it too hard. Let's go for the bite. Okay. A little sloppy. Woo. Okay. Right away, tomatoes. Has to be the combination of between ketchup and the fire roasted diced tomatoes. It is incredible. I love the taste. I think I've had sloppy joes one time in my elementary cafeteria. Wasn't a fan, but I'm telling you that Currency song, a long way from reduced lunches and sloppy joes. Incredible bar. I thought about this recipe. I saw on my timeline on YouTube. I'm like, you know what? Let me just make it. See what that brings out of me. You know, nostalgia. Beautiful. You can't pack it high. It's like a flat type of sandwich, you know, because it's gonna fall to the sides. Incredible. Sweet. I did add the little chili and garlic sauce, oil, whatever. Added a serrano to the mix. It's not spicy, bro. With the brown sugar, balances out. I know I didn't add any like salt, but with the soy sauce, I think it was plenty. Didn't need too much. With 2 cups of lentils, doubling the portion. I think I'm good for the week. You know, I like my portion a little bit bigger. Maybe they don't. I don't know. They said 8 sandwiches, 1 portion. That's why I doubled it, bro. It's too little. I'm a big dude. I like to eat. But yeah, all in all, man, I'm super thankful. Shout out to Make It Dairy Free. Always coming in the clutch. Bro, the recipes are fire. Keep me entertained. And one of the first channels that I followed that was completely vegan. You know, really inspired me. Like, you know, I can really do this because it needs a little work. You can't just eat salads, rice, and beans all day, bro. You can't always buy food out and about. You gotta cook for yourself, you know, regardless. Other than that, man, I'm super excited to eat these throughout the week. I did meal prep them. Oh yeah, it's finally sit down and eat. It's a long day, bro. It's damn near 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. It's Andy tuning out. Hope you have a good week. Hope you know what I'm saying, get something good to eat. If it's not this, hopefully it's something you enjoy or looking forward to. You know what I'm saying? That's all, y'all. Peace out.